Welcome to Celeb Scene Central. Olympic breakdancer Raygun may not have won a single point during the competition, but she's won gold in Adele's heart. The Set Fire to the Rain singer took a moment during her concert in Munich, Germany, on Saturday to ask the audience if they'd seen the Australian B-girl's now viral dance routine at the 2024 Paris Olympics, which saw her kangaroo hopping all over the competition. "I have to ask you because it's all that me and my friends have been talking about last night, after the show and today," Adele asked in video footage from the event shared on TikTok. "And I'm not saying anything, you know, I think it's the best thing that's happened in the Olympics the entire time. Did anyone see the breakdancing lady?" The Grammy winner acknowledged that she didn't even know breakdancing was even an Olympic sport these days. It was incorporated into the Games for the very first time this year, but that she considered the move to be fantastic. She then turned to ask her band if they'd seen Raygun, whose real name is Rachel Gunn, and her performance. "My percussionist is pissing himself laughing just thinking about it," Adele said before bursting into laughter herself. "I can't work out if it was a joke, but either way it has made me very, very happy, and me and my friends have been ourselves laughing for nearly 24 hours. She then encouraged those out of the loop to pull up the video ASAP. "If you haven't seen it, please leave the show and Google it, 'cause it is LOLs, she said. "It is so funny. It's brilliant. It's my favorite thing that's happened in the Olympics this whole time." Adele's not alone in her newfound Raygun obsession. Saturday Night Live star Chloe Fineman also channeled her inner Raygun in her own TikTok, dressing up in a jumpsuit similar in color to Team Australia's and prancing her way around a gym. She captioned the video, "All hail Raygun. Girl hop like a kangaroo and ate?" Raygun has since spoken out in defense of her fascinating moves. "I was never going to beat these girls on what they do best, their power moves," she told the AP. "What I bring is creativity." And lots of laughs to Adele, too.